Details, details, details. Details oftentimes are overlooked, or if they're not overlooked, they're just kind of categorized and cataloged. You need to bring the same quality of vision, the same quality of light to the details. Light them, make them part of the story. Give them that same 100% effort that you do on your portraits and all your other images throughout the day. The bride and groom have been on this journey sometimes well over a year. Oftentimes a bride, she may have been dreaming about her wedding day her entire life. The couples put a lot of thought and attention into all these little details, the printed materials, the flatware, the flowers, the rings. So again, bring that same quality of light. Use your light modifiers, use your quality of light, blend it, use your lens. You know, we just did a quick shoot of the details here and did it very simply. We had one off-camera flash in an Apollo strip, we gridded it, and then we also used the inner reflector from the 360 so that we could bounce that light right back into it and just in a matter of seconds create beautiful detail shots that will match the quality of the rest of the images from throughout the shoot.